This is Khalid bin Walid, and the school is located at Bomali Old Airport. The school contains over 700 students and is complete with nursery, primary, and secondary section. Their teachers are very active to see their students having a good knowledge. Let's go into the school and see how things are going about the national exam.
Time. Maintain silence.
They are going to sing the national anthem.
About this something of new national anthem, I feel happy with hearing that from the Nigerian government has sent the national anthem, and I hope this sending of new national anthem will improve the way of changing our nation. Nation to be a good nation, to be a nation where students will be happy. I hope this is my opinion about this anthem.
Sir, can you introduce yourself to us, please?
My name is Kabir Mustafa. I am the principal of this very school, Taliban Islamic School, which is around Bomari Old Airport space. I'm the head of the teacher of the school, and also
What is your opinion about this new national anthem?
My opinion about this national anthem is all Nigerian citizens should be forced to know how to recite this national anthem wherever they are. And because this national anthem has to be there since 1960, since the beginning of our independence, we're supposed to know how to recite this national anthem. And it is the one and it is the national anthem that is supposed to be recited and supposed to be known by the citizens of Nigeria. Whether you are a Muslim, whether you are a Christian, whether you are any religion you are, you're supposed to recite this national anthem as far as you are a citizen of this nation. I think this is
How do you feel about this national anthem?
This national anthem is a very wonderful national anthem, and I think it has a reflection to the citizens of Nigeria, because the words which were being used in the national anthem shows that all of us are one. Whether you are a Muslim, whether you are a Christian, you are all one. So the reflection of this national anthem to the nation, that it will hold our nation together, and it will be a great nation, because before we are a great nation, and now also will be a great nation again and forever.